Today in front of me I have POCO X3 GT, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will show how you can lock the screen of your device with your own fingerprint. So in order to set up the fingerprint unlock method, you will need to launch settings, go for security category or passwords and security, then tap at the fingerprint unlock, choose what backup screen lock method you would like to have. I'll go with pattern and well, just set it up real quick. Then you can start adding your fingerprint by laying and lifting your fingertip on and out of the sensor that is located conveniently at the side power key. So do that until the entire surface of your fingerprint will be scanned or enrolled. And once it is finished, you can now unlock the screen of your device with a fingerprint. Not only it is a secure way, but also a convenient one as well. The next option you can find at the display category, and it is called the refresh rate. Here it is. So there are two values you can go for, 60 or 120 Hz. And as you can see from those very convenient and useful preview animations, the 120 Hz refresh rate allows you, or not allows you, just provides you with smoother and silkier animations and visual experience in general, but it also comes at the expense of increased power consumption. So make your choice. What is more important to you at any given time? Should it be reduced battery usage or the silkiest and the smoothest visuals? The next option I wanted to share is rather a small one. It's how you can display the battery percentage next to the battery icon. So in order to do that, you will also need to go for settings, then go for notifications and control center, open the status bar page, and at the battery indicator menu, choose either inside the battery icon option or right next to it. The next tip is how you can improve and enhance the audio or sound quality of your phone. So basically just customize its equalizer. So in order to do that, you will need to enter sound and vibration category of settings, then open the sound effects page, and then enable the Dolby Atmos feature. After that, you can change the preset you would like to have, or tailor, customize, and personalize the equalizer preferences to meet your requirements and needs. The fifth and final tip that I have for today is the only one that is the performance related. So in order to improve or increase your system performance, you can add a few additional gigabytes of random access memory. And in order to activate this feature, you will need to enter the additional settings category, then open the memory extension page, then select the amount of gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory for, and then reboot the device in order for those changes to be applied or to take effect. And after the system gets restarted, you'll get whatever much gigabytes of RAM you went for. Thus, you will be able to do more things simultaneously at the same time without slowing your system down, multitask more efficiently, and so on. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.